Best drone for videography. We review top 5 best drone for videography. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. The best consumer drone for filmmaking. Period. Relatively speaking, the Mavic 2 Pro is quite affordable, considering its feature set, and it is spectacular. Having taken it for a spin in Iceland, I can speak to its quality, namely brought about by the use of a 20MP 1-type image sensor that is notably larger than many competitors, and a quality Hasselblad lens. What puts this ahead of many other options is the superb implementation of DLOG-M and HLG HDR for high dynamic range recording and 10-bit support. This provides footage that is suitable for high-end grading and editing applications. This footage should fit in nicely with cinema cameras. It's also a very good, compact drone. It can hit 44 miles per hour, fly for 31 minutes, benefits from OcuSync 2.0 with a 5-mile range, and has Active Track 2.0. It is a complete package. Parrot Anafi. You don't have to break the bank to get a solid set of video features on an ultra-compact drone. Parrot proved that with the Anafi. It captures great 4K, has a log recording mode, and uses a high-res 21MP f/4 sensor that allows for sharp stills and a lossless digital zoom-in video. The party trick of the Anafi is an ability to tilt upward, allowing filmmakers to create incredibly unique shots that would be impossible with nearly any other drone. We also found it quite easy to use during our review. DJI Inspire 2. Time for the big copters to come out. With bigger drones come bigger cameras, and bigger cameras means bigger sensors and better video. DJI's Inspire 2 is among the most popular, which makes sense, considering its capabilities. It'll hit 58 miles per hour, can support H.265, HEVC, Apple ProRes, and Cinema DNG formats, all considered pro-quality options, and the Spotlight Pro tracking mode for advanced flight techniques. It doesn't come with a camera, but there are a few choices that'll get the job done. My pick? The Zenmuse X7 with its super 35mm sensor and 6K video. It's a high-end choice that'll satisfy more demanding filmmakers. Autel EVO. Fold-up drones took off this year, and Autel tossed its EVO into the air. This drone separates itself from direct competition with 4K video at up to 60 FPS. Another nice design choice is the built-in 3.3 inches 720p OLED right on the included remote controller. It bothers me to have to rely on my phone for most drones, so this is a super nice bonus for the EVO. It also operates at up to 4.4 miles away and features a 12MP f/3 sensor to get the job done. DJI Matrice 600. When you want to have your everyday camera take to the skies, you need a serious drone to handle it. DJI makes such models, though this series starts with the Matrice 600. This moves up to the hexacopter designation and can take off with a 34-pound weight. Yes, you can bring some serious gear up with you. It will work with Zenmuse systems, but it will excel when you opt for the Ronin MX and your own cinema camera. This is getting a true cinema camera airborne and can't be matched in quality. Professionals will want one of these.